Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back. This is going to be the first of many Tucson haul videos. Actually, this is the first video, but I'm actually going to start with the last show we went to. Here's some footage from that show. We're at the Pueblo Gem and Mineral Show, and look at this. It's a bathtub. I don't know what stone this is. What is it? Do we know?
I don't know. It looks like a quartz.
Looks like some kind of quartz. It is amazing. And then look at this guy. It's a rose quartz. It's a little windy out here. My hair's going a little nuts. But look at this. Isn't that fantastic and special and beautiful? Makes me so happy. And then we have a big spike here. And then we have some beautifulness over here. And then look at this big one. It's a chair. Isn't that amazing? Okay, we're heading on in. Okay, we're at the Pueblo Bead Show, and I am at the Green Girl Studio booth, and I want to introduce you to the artist who makes everything here, and then I'll take you a little tour around her booth.
Hi, I'm Cynthia Thornton of Green Girl Studios, and these are some of the things I make. We hand cast everything in Asheville, North Carolina, and we're here today at the Pueblo Gem Show at the Ramada off of I-10. So come and see us.
And I'll take you guys on a tour throughout her booth, which is amazing. It's all artisan beads, and you carve everything and cast it.
We carve and cast everything.
Oh, so amazing. And she has a website and a Facebook group. I will link that below. Look at this. We've got little keys. She's carved all of this and casted it in little castles. I'm going to pause and put in my microphone so you can hear me better. Okay, so we have just amazing things. A little fairy, little hearts, some rings. Look at these amazing inlay rings. And how long have you been doing this?
Probably going on 20 years.
20 years, oh my goodness. Amazing.
The Thornton family hit the jackpot with the creativity.
Right.
That's for sure.
Oh, thank you.
And then we have these beautiful coins.
All of you guys.
Look at this dragon. Saw some mermaids too. Oh, unicorn.
Oops, you're 30.
I love your displays too. Everything's
thank you.
so pretty. Look at this moth. Cool. I'm gonna come over your head here. And then we have these beautiful trays too. Little froggy. Oh, that's pretty heavy.
That's cool.
We have some amazing stuff here. It would take me all day to go through all this stuff. Look at this beautiful button. Little butterfly button. And are these pewter?
They're fine pewter.
Fine pewter, okay. Very nice. I love this little cat. And here are some examples of what you can do with some of the items. Is this patina? Or
That's a
patina paint?
vintage,
Vintage
patina
patina?
paint.
Yeah, that's awesome.
On my Facebook page, my Green Girl Facebook page, I have a tutorial on how to do that.
Okay, she has a tutorial on her Green Girl Facebook page. I'll link that below. I'll send you the link to the video too. And then, oh, I love these hearts. Look at that. I'm gonna have to get something for sure. I love artisan work. Look at this little mermaid.
I know. They're adorable.
Oh, I might need to buy this mermaid.
I think so.
It says something on the back. The sea, once it casts itself, or its spell, holds one in its net. a wonder forever. That is so beautiful. I think I'm going to have to get this guy. This guy's coming home with Mama. And then we have a little fox. My best friend Laura would love that. And we have some more jewelry. Oh, a little face. Is that a button?
It's a pendant.
Oh, it's a pendant. Okay.
Well, it could be.
Could be a button. Could be whatever, I guess. Little owls. And then she does paper dolls.
I thought that I only have ones and twos or things that I don't make anymore.
Beautiful. Squeeze down over here. Which one is that? Oh, it's like a neat sea creature.
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, look at Monstera. You know I love my Monstera.
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, that is the Green Girl Studios booth. Some more paper dolls. I'm gonna pick some stuff out and I'll show you what I got. Okay, you guys have to see these beads. They're little animals rolled up into balls. So here we have a little chameleon. I think he's gonna have to come home with me. I already picked out some things, but I think he has to come home with me. We have an elephant. Normally, you know, I'd be all over the elephant, but I'm a strict believer of the trunk up. We have a little hippo. Look at all of that detail. Sorry about my nails. But she carves all of this and then casts it. She is so amazing. I can't figure out what this one is. It an octopus? It is. That is so cool. Oh, wait, is this a frog? Oh, we have a little frog. Sorry.
Where are you guys going next?
We've been to jobs on 22nd Street.
Little pig flying piggies.
Anything delightful?
We found more than we ever could use in a one lifetime.
Last purchase.
A little toad. She's so amazing. I could stand here all day and go through every one of these geckos. I'm going to get the chameleon, guys, because it's just so sweet. And I don't have anything that looks like that. So beautiful. So the Pueblo show was very small and it was all outdoors. So it was a little hot. And it was at the end of our last day of shopping. I really am so excited to show you what I got from Green Girl Studios. I will put all of the information that I have for them in the description below. Here's their card. So it's greengirlstudios.com. And they have an Etsy shop, the website, and then here is their Facebook and Instagram. And again, I'll leave links to that below. I had so much fun chatting in that booth and looking at all the beautiful, beautiful things that I saw there. And I got a few things, some of which you saw in that video. So let me show you what I got. I did end up getting this little castle. It's just so sweet. It's a little pendant. And then it has the GGS stamp on the back. And like she said in the video, she carves all of these and then casts them. And it's just so amazing. I can't believe it. Look at that beautiful little guy. You guys saw that I grabbed one of those chameleon beads. Look at this, look at his little eyes. I just love it. It's so sweet. And then we have a hole here and a hole at the bottom. Oh, I love him. He's gonna go. I'm gonna have to start a Green Girl Studios artisan drawer in my bookcase. These are so beautiful. These are not going to be the last pieces I get from her, that's for sure. You guys also saw me pick this up in the video. It was that beautiful butterfly button and a heart. Like, how could I pass that up? You saw me pick up the mermaid connector pendant. So beautiful. I'm going to hoard these for a little while, guys. I don't think I can make anything with them because they're so gorgeous. And then I also got this unicorn pendant. It's just so pretty. Just so amazing. It says something on the back. May the spark of magic follow you always. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. That's a wonderful saying. And again, this guy had a saying on the back. The sea, once it casts its spell, holds in its net. Oh, holds one in its net of wonder forever. I love that. It's so beautiful. So those are the 5 pieces I got at Green Girl Studio. Just love, 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 love those. And then I also got some other things from that show. One vendor had a beautiful room just full of stuff from Tibet, and there was so much. By the end of the day, I was just overwhelmed. So I just got this clasp, and I just thought this clasp was so gorgeous. And it's a 4-strand clasp. I mean, you don't have to use that many, but it's a box clasp, and she showed me you kind of have to pull on it quite a bit because they were all like this. Pull down. Okay, so this one's a little stubborn, but it does come out. It's I'm gonna have to. I didn't try this one before I left. I tried 2 others, but this one actually looked nicer. So this is a little bit folded here. It's going to be pretty easy to get it back together. But again, this is more of a hoard item than use item. Maybe one day I'll use it, but it's so beautiful. I just love that. It's so gorgeous. Such a fun clasp. And then there was one other shop there, and they had the cutest bags. They're made out of newspaper. And look at them. They're just, I can't get it all on the screen, but it's got a little handle, and then it's just like a little shopping bag, but made out of newspapers. And this is actually in a different language. So I don't know what they're saying. I'm sorry if it was offensive, but let me show you what I got there. So I got these, bone beads. These were $6. Nice strand. Julie and I both got them. Ooh, I'm seeing a guru bead. That's nice. I didn't notice that before. Those are lovely. I'm going to just kind of keep those in the screen because they're so pretty to look at. I got this cool pendant. It was $2. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have gotten more, but I think by that point, to kind of resell in my bead group, but by that point, I think I was so tired that I was just like chucking stuff in my tray that I really liked, and I wasn't thinking about the future. So this is just really cool. Looks like copper and brass. I love it. Such a nice focal. I actually don't remember a lot of the stuff I got. This one's like second to last place I went. And then here's this place's website, Tika Imports. Gosh, I can't read. It's late. TikaImports.com. So it was a cool store. What else do we have in here? Oh, I got, I think 4 of these wood beads. They might be maybe even nut beads, but I think they're wood. And they were 50 cents each. I got this Afghan pendant. It was $2. They had a whole bowl of this stuff, and I was like, I had to limit myself. I had to be a good girl. Just so beautiful. There's another one of these guys. I also got, you can tell I've been talking all day because I'm so tired. Julie and I truly had a blast today. Like, we were giggling like little girls from the second we got in the car until the second we got home. Just amazing time. I got 2 of these beads. They were $1.50 each. Beautiful. I got this guy. It was $3. It's very lightweight. It's beautiful. Like, I kind of forgot what I put in that bowl or my tray when I was walking around at this store. This guy, I think it was $3. Again, another old pendant from Afghanistan. It's beautiful. Two more of those beads, and then another one of these. And this was $3. So So I love how worldly those look. Oh, and I also got these, and I can't remember what the name of them is. I'll look it up and I'll put it right here on the screen. But they change with your mood. They had a whole bunch of these, and I mean, I think if I hadn't been as tired as I was at that point, I would have just gotten more, but I kind of really love the shape of these. I love that they were purple when I was looking at it, like purple pink when I was looking at them, and they change with the heat of your hands, the heat of your body, your mood. I just love them. This strand was $8. There was another one that I was looking at that had several different styles on one strand, and now I'm kind of regretting that I didn't get them. But as you'll see as we go through all of the unboxings that we have, or not unboxings, all the hauls that we have to do from Tucson, you'll understand that I really, really didn't need that last strand. Maybe next year. So I am just overjoyed with the items that I got from Green Girl Studios. This was actually one of the highlights of my trip. Just, you know me, I love artisan beads. I make them myself. I just have such a respect for people who make and sell their beads. And it's like wearing portable art. It's just like amazing. So guys, check out their website. Again, I'll leave it below, and all of that information will be there. Obviously, these are my favorite things from Pueblo right here, these 5, quickly followed by these beads and probably this guy. So, but I love all of it. Yeah, I hope you liked the first haul video of many to come from my trips to Tucson the last 2 weeks. Let me know what was your favorite, and I'll see you soon. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. What you doing? Just hanging out watching mommy work? That's all you do all day, huh? We have 2 beds now, and she goes back and forth between them. Just watching mama. Oh, hi cutie.